right, this is my hot minute on how to slice and core a red pepper for your dishes. What I do is slice off the top and it lays flat, okay? You cannot cut a red pepper on its side because it'll roll, you'll get uneven slices. Anyway, this is my way of making my life easier, which in turn makes your life easier. There you go. Easy peasy. Okay, you're going to want to wash them and de-seed them. And then your pepper's going to lay flat. And whether you're making fajitas or pickled peppers or having a side dish of sweet and sour peppers, whatever you're making, go quickly and slice them uniformly for your dishes. Aren't they beautiful? And that's how you slice core a pepper.